Welcome to SalesStream Express, and thanks for your interest in the greatest software application that your business has ever known. I'm here to share with you the top reasons why you need to use SalesStream Express. If you're familiar with software that creates funnels, you'll definitely appreciate number one. And that is the fact that our product doesn't break. With a high uptime that never breaks down, we work hard to make sure that it stays stable for you. Because we understand the importance of having your business up and running all the time and not spontaneously breaking down, especially if you have paid ads at the beginning of your sales stream. Number two, awesome backend support. We believe in our product, and we're a company of integrity, and we believe that if we sell you something, we should stand behind it. And so we do. You can contact us anytime you need help, and we'll promptly be there to assist you and give you good advice. Number three is the price. You might not want to spend $100 per month. That's fine. With SalesStream Express, you don't have to. Our plan starts at a price that beats all of our top competitors and includes all of the features that our higher price plans offer. And with the 7-day free trial, you've got absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. So, what are you waiting for? Oh, and lastly, effectiveness. We include tested templates proven to convert into profitable sales. So click the link and get started now. And if you need any help getting started, just reach out and connect with us. We're here for you. Thanks for being here, and welcome to SalesStream Express.